Next! Come closer. What is your name?
I'm a privileged one, comedian.
So what led to your death?
I don't really know what bring me come here. You're born in Nigeria for the come. The problem for that country too much.
So you don't know the particular problem that led to your death?
I don't know, but that will not be problem again because I don't come out for the. I'm not there again now. My problem now be say I won't see the angel will drop me for that country.
You want to see what?
I want to see the angel that dropped me in Nigeria. You know the hear what? Come, not stress me with my messenger. I say about Bible, angels are my messenger. Not call they stress me with questions.
Okay, let's forget the angel that dropped you in Nigeria. What are the problems that you said are too much in Nigeria?
You know, see as we dey talk so now. Benin City, it be like war zone. People no dey fit sit down for their house again. People no dey fit waka for seat again. Everybody, okay, just yesterday, one man dey report to us say they rob them. As they complain for us say they rob them, another people come rob the man again. Problem too much on the country. Injust fight. Injust they fight. They kill themselves. They kill people.
What is injust?
You don't know the meaning of injust. Injust, people wey dey do things secretly.
Injust. Everybody does things secretly. What is injust?
Injust na. Those people. Na so they come our area, they sit down on top motor. They holla, no level. We go kick tire. No level. The day they now they kill up and down. Police now wey even suppose help us. Police they keep us malice now. So you don't know the meaning of injust.
Police they keep malice with you now.
Police they keep us malice now as we dey talk so. They keep the citizens of the country malice. Say because we come and do peaceful protest, say make them end police brutality. The country tire me, I don't really know what it kill me. This same country, as we dey talk now, government wey even suppose help us, they busy, they trace account where they want freeze. Say anybody wey involved for the peaceful protest, they freeze their account. Which they hear one boy every day itself with 1 million, whether na Romusale be name. Just for us to come out for peaceful protest. Which kind of country be that? I want to see the angel. Today I'll die here again.
This is your country problem, anyhow.
No, sit down, make they listen. Sit down. Wait till devil. This same country, once you just greet girl, hello, good morning, they will tell you say tomorrow na their birthday.
Wow.
Problem too much. We can no longer have one-on-one relationship with women. Now they don't turn us to bullion fund, to central bank. Hello, good morning. They go dey list their problem. My father is sick. My mother want to pay for her shop. I want to pay for my house rent.
But now your country, I hear say that they find one a straight bone and be now they call it weavon.
Bone straight. I know that one. Another that
Why you not go? No, I'm not going to.
That one is from our kingdom. Bone straight hair. Now here they reach.
Which one is bone straight hair?
I not concern you.
This same country. Oh my God. This same country. Now the only country for the world where we say you there as a citizen, you go dey pray to go another country. Police where they keep us malice so they don't drop budget for National Assembly say the money where they need to take for their vehicle and their bikes next year now 24.8 billion.
Jesus!
Na lie.
Hello.
Problem many. I just dey start.
How much there?
How much?
How much it be?
24.8 billion just to buy fuel.
Na lie. How much? The full hellfire. Full hellfire. How much you tell the buy fuel when would they use? For 10 years now, we never even use 4 million naira fuel finish. Oh. And never use 20-something million naira pay fuel back. You know what?
The same police when you call them, they will tell you say they not get fuel for motor.
Wait, no. This is your country. Police supposed to use money buy fuel. Be make government provide one filling station where they go they collect fuel. Are they supposed to be buying fuel?
No, that filling station will not.
They don't see Western World say that they go one filling station go they collect fuel.
NJ be waiting be your name. This same country, nice citizens they gather money, they do road. This same country, citizens they gather money, they buy transformer, they'll see pay NEPA to coffee.
Transformer, pay NEPA to coffee.
I don't know. This NJ will drop me. Not even see any country. He said that Nigeria, now it drop me. One of the problems that kill me now, I don't even know the one will kill me. So pastors, they one side, they call the poor people broke ass nigger. Low life people. Pastors who are sent to go preach the word, they insult us now. Some of them, they even knock their member, they knock them.
I bet not verse. They knock wood. Hello?
They fornicate with them.
Ow! Those are my children. Sorry, your children.
Okay, the youth wey be say government don fail. Now that they use their head, that they struggle to make sure say they earn living. They don't let the rest. Once they look fresh, they spray good perfume. They go the answer where they see money buy. They want meal, of course. Meal of course just look tattered. Now we can carry a peaceful protest. Say, may they bring an end to those things. Now that they arrest people up and down now. You dey understand the problem why they explain so? All the leaders wey dey that country, now devil they use all of them.
Ah! No try am. No bring that leg on here at all. I don't take am. Even my oga when they give the power, till now we dey under them. Now that they use us. Who you say that what they use? Leaders when be say people when be say now we even now that what they give the power before, but now that they even tell us what to do. We dey even take permission from them before we even send bad things may go happen.
You know, say ordinary food where they provide during COVID-19, say may they give people, may they eat. This our leaders for that side, they keep on. They say they want to do their birthday.
Wow.
Hunger call they keep people. Whether na hunger criminal, I don't even know.
This is not problem.
No, sit down. The reason why I drop me for that country, if you not tell me, I go kick this laptop.
Yeah.
Where they worry you? You are my messenger. Sit down there. Now use me play. The Nigeria don't concern me again now. I don't reach here. The problem now is say I want to see the angel will bring me here or will die.
My friend, keep quiet.
Okay, no.
You know they talk. Even like this guy don't know me. See, not try him. Not even. If like you don't know, this guy don't know. So I know they take nothing. Oh no, you not tell her who I be. See, before my guy come back for revival, Allah, if your ear not bring blood, I not be devil. Not try him.
Country where be say some part of people where they call ASU now that they regulate the school body. Those ones now they don't strike. They go 1 year now. I want to know whether now they in charge of thunder for this heaven because the way they carry strike for it, I don't understand.
Okay, that Nigeria, you are talking about Nigeria, right?
Sit down, no. Do you know what is even a trend for the country now? As we end SARS, onions and tomatoes carry on for head. Now they trend now. They just there. Poor man, not the fit buy now.
But wait, the way this guy body dey hot, you don't feel enter my kid. I beg you will consider him. May enter your side, I beg.
How much is onions?
Yeah. Onions? Now you dey talk small. One onions now 200 naira, and that's so small.
Jesus.
Sit down. You know they eat now. If you eat, you know what they go through there. Sit down. You be angel.
Aye.
Sit down. Problem too much. Fuel, they're not the fit buy. So they talk now, sun they shine. No light. NEPA will still collect money for darkness.
Which part of Nigeria are you from?
Nigeria now. How many times you want me to talk?
But rumor goes around that Nigeria supply Ghana light.
No! Not be lie now. All these things why they explain so. Not be say they not there the country. They're there. They hide them.
Okay, when they give people what you not even.
They give other country light, but we not get because now they import generator.
Wow.
So because they give us light, they not cost a generator again. Fuel cost cheap. Then they like to give the people fire for fire, aship. Wicked people. No, sit down. You won't hear. You're here today will bring blood. Never say anything. Next time when they will say go and judge somebody in Nigeria, if you see the country, you go back the country. Never say anything. They here. If not, you know rest. Because when say mama not sleep, not sleep. Where the angel will drop me there, I want to see her.
Let me tap your name again. Let me confirm the
Marina privileged son, na comedian be.
You are not privileged at all. You can't bring problem to this problem when this guy brings a big past my kingdom. Who they fight them na the case? I say shut up.
Privileged son.
Settle this guy.
Oh, I was the one that dropped you in Nigeria.
Oh, now you drop me.
No.
Now you drop me.
Calm down.
Now you drop him.
Let me drop him. But when I go drop, because I was told to drop him in Africa. As I was going to Africa, I saw a land that was very green with all manners of resources. You have cocoa, you have oil, you have tin, you have gold.
Wow.
There is no resources you want to talk about in the world that is not in that country.
If I say you deaf, you know here with the last thing we told us now. I saw these things in the country. They hide them.
But wait, to be like this guy not get respect.
Oh, I know what he's saying because they are supposed to use these things to maintain the country.
The oil wey they talk about, so our leader now they take it, now they drink am. Now they take the bath.
You know say when they talk within the country, I just off the photo and they look you. The people when squander this thing, go see them. Go see them for my kingdom. You see that one belly swell up. That one sit down for that side where the scratch body. You see that man? That one kill that country. Go stand for them. All these we mention. No one did the country again, sorry.
Listen, oh, you know say not be all states get the oil. The state wey get the oil, they carry the money from the state. Go another state wey not get the oil.
Exactly.
They enjoy the money for them.
Exactly.
Then the state wey get the oil, they cannot boast of good road, no light, nothing. They are suffering. Mosquito, they kill them. You see the country where you go put me. You say even the country they are blessed with manpower. Abi, yes. Even the manpower, our elders not they let the youth see. Not the youth supposed to use manpower. Then they sell and give us.
Anyway, Angel, this thing we not go argue and take. You know, the person went already faint, not the strength to death. This guy already experienced suffer. Made deal with me. Mogo, no need to judge. Go.
You can go to her. Young man. Young man. Wait at the reception. I need to. Your wait there. Your case is somehow. Stay there.
Yes, so.
But wait.
If that, okay, since you say now, now you drop me for Nigeria.
Yes.
I want to see God. I want to see God.
Come close. You say what?
I said I want to see God.
My friend, you not gonna shut up because to keep you quiet. You want to see who? See, man, I tell you. You know, say this your pasha. I know they like him because this thing involve you now. You don't want to give me. Now you don't tell me to the session. If I come back, I mean say you pity this guy. After this insult and misbehavior, you pity him, put him for your paradise, or you say me go back. There will be war.
If you get the way God go do one, if not to carry me go another country, make peace for rain, because I want to see God.
Wait at the reception.
I dare you they wait.